Your viewers, your subscriber, big up on yourself. You don't know, send you link production. There with there again. People, Zine, them stop the news, them stop everything, but them not stop new link. So people, with there, and people, this time it's getting more serious and serious, right? Because now we see what the government have to do. We see the government have to move the state of emergency right now in a C0NTR0L. Because if you never know, new link production and make you know, or you must know, Spanish Town is under big state of emergency right now. Zine people, me as a Spanish Town because a long time new link I said, those part of Jamaica, and just Montego Bay, need it, other part of Jamaica will need it and people will see, right? Where the government do, they move the state of emergency right now in a Spanish Town too, right? So, and like saying that they are be, it still is in Montego Bay, but them extend it right up to Spanish Town people, Zine, and the people them a Spanish Clarendon a ball out now and I say, yeah, we need it too. The people them done a Westmoreland ball out and I say, we need it too. And the people them done a Hanover ball out and I say, them need it too. So I not just one part I say them need it, but I think C0NTR0L deserve it because them need it, people. Zine, it's a new link production and there a new link are telling you this. Boy, if I saw it have to cool down the crime, I saw it have to go cool down if the state of emergency have to go every part of Jamaica, if it have to go the 14 parish and the 14 corners, them have to go do that. Zine, because crime thing, it no look good. Zine, see someone come there, lot of Jamaicans who they are foreign one go home and them scared to go home. So, when them do this thing now, the people them will feel a look better and a look relief and I say, yeah, Zine, yeah, the thing better, right? So right now, people, me are telling you this, it is a good move by the government. And it's a good move by the Minister of Security where them say, Zine, it is a good move, right? If I saw the state of emergency, if you have to go all over, it's really a good move, Zine. But some people still, like business people, I say, yo, the state of emergency slope them business because the town shut down and a lot of things now go and them not have access to certain things. But honestly, big man thing, you better want to shut down the business for the 3 months or the 4 months where you did it, but that you not go say no. Because me no want to hear none of that. And the fans and the viewers them don't want to hear none of that. All the fans and the viewers want to know is the safety of Jamaican citizens and other nationalities that is in Jamaica walking up and down. Them want to know so them can go in your same shop on a ball out and I say slope and can buy without getting robbed or anything. Zine? So that is a good move by the government. And you link respect that. Big man thing. Me respect that. And me love that. Zine? And me see them capture three more wanted man. And this time in a C0NTR0L, which is a good move. It is really a good move by the team where you work. Zine? And enough people, previous viewers and subscribers upon a real level, right? Why complaining of state of emergency and every time them have a state of emergency, wanted man has been captured? So why the people who is complaining about the state of emergency? Viewers and sub, you see anybody who complain about the state of emergency, I think they should be charged and be arrested or be detained as well. Because if there's a system where a conquer a bad thing, why you want to stop it? That means it's part of the bad thing. Realistic, no? Because on a real level, everybody, all them thinking about is safety. And for the man I go say, yo, that now work, make no sense just because him for make 2 shilling and $2. Come on, man. Think like you have sense. See? When I make the $2 and the $3 and the $4 extra, You don't know, so the same man them, when I say, who are them saying I come take it from you? Use your head and be smart and be wise. Zine, time is really serious now. And people have to use this. Everybody get a brain for use and them have to use it up. Zine, it is really necessary. And me wouldn't mind enough viewers and sub, honestly, on a real level. If that state of emergency can spread out through the rest of the year. Zine, and I can tell you this and I can guarantee this. From the past, how much years now coming up? Maybe the past 10 years coming up. We see crime over 1,000 going up. And I can bet and tell you this, people. Right now, we don't see a lot of people dead already since the year start. But, on a real level, New Link Production can tell us, if the state of emergency will continue throughout the whole here at Jamaica, the crime now will reach 1,000. Believe me. And it can happen. Them have that in a mobile, right? Them have one at C0NTR0L right now. Zine, move one, go down a west. Put one at Clarendon. Those are parts of Jamaica when you know so the crime thing high and it turn up. Zine, put it there. You don't have to be big like way. Zine, like way. Like the other parts of Mobile. Mobile is a really big town, you know. Zine, you know, so Mobile spread out gone way back. So you don't have to be big like that. But you know the areas them. Because in every parish, right? I can tell you this, every parish at Jamaica, you have certain part there where no violence not go on, no crime not go on. Any crime go on there, unless I want husband and a wife over some jealousy or some bunting and I must kill man, kill wife and kill themselves or them thing there. Or yes, a man shoot themselves in their head because they have disease or something. But then now, yes, no crime go on. Every part of Jamaica, you have them community there. So the police, the state of emergency now have to go in them part there, right? You don't know the tough part them, you don't know the bad part them. That's how the state of emergency them fi go lock it down for this year and see if maybe hundreds man they got dead, their life was spared and maybe they can live for see another year. Big man thing New Link I tell you that attack New Link on them. Zine, viewers and subscriber, you see New Link Production, we look deep in our things, you know, and we look far in our things and we look at mastermize things we are happening in our society today. Zine, and basically, you know, and not just Jamaica them things they are going, you know. Zine, it are going in America and a lot of places too. Right? But when you look on the size of Jamaica, Zine, kind of man I say, oh, US do this and then not talk about them crime. But honestly, you know why Jamaica highlighted as the turn of the top country with crime and violence? Because the size of the country, it is very small. And for the amount of things we are happening done there for 1 year, come on. Look into that, you know. It is very small. But to the amount of crimes that has been happening in Montego Bay for a year period, that is why. That is the reason why. You understand? So them are going to highlight it as one of the most dangerous in the world. So viewers, subscriber, I hope you look into this, and I hope you look into reality, and I hope you understand what New Link say. And remember, if you're a viewer and you don't subscribe as yet, please do subscribe. And please do follow New Link Production other channel, New Link Production Return. Right? Please do, because we see at times where they do put these strike on this channel, but we don't want to stay from the fans and the viewers them for long. We want them always to see it. But the return is here and New Link Production is here. So viewers and sub, big up on yourself. Attack New Link. Stay blessed. More love, more guidance, more protection. Be safe. Peace, love. Come out.